Okay, welcome back everybody. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to combine and add single sheet IDWs to create one multiple sheet IDW. Taking a look here in Inventor, you can see that I have 4 individual IDWs that only contain one sheet apiece. Now we have the ability to create multiple sheets within a single IDW, but in this case, a lot of people would panic. They'd simply close out of this, go back in, recreate that one single IDW with multiple sheets. Okay, there's no reason to do that. Okay, and let me show you why. Okay, all we have to do, okay, is simply come up here. We can tell it to copy that sheet, go back over to our part 1, and simply paste that in. Okay, when we click on this to update it, okay, it's going to be asking us, for our student name, project title, whatever. But right away, I'd say go ahead, edit the sheet, and update whatever that part was that we brought over. That was part 4. Okay, going over to part 3, we can simply go ahead, once again, copy that, bring it to part 1, okay, and go ahead and paste that. We can update that, and we can come back in and edit that sheet name, in which this case it is part 3. And finally, for our last one, our part 2 sheet, we can go ahead and copy that, come back over to our part 1, and paste that in, update our fields, and then go out to edit the sheet and give it its name, part 2. All right, so we've now simply brought all those sheets over. We've made a multiple sheet IDW. And now we can simply close out of these other 3. We can actually delete those. Everything that we need for those 4 parts, all those sheets, is within this single IDW. Now, if you're not happy on the order, you should be able to go ahead and move this up into the order it should be. So now we're at part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 in order. From this point, you go ahead and save that. You have all the sheets that you need for that single IDW. You no longer have the hassle of jumping back through these tabs within those single IDWs. And now we'd have the ability to actually print all those same sheets from the single IDW instead of opening multiple IDWs to print just that one sheet that we would need. So there you go.